Hey everyone. So, a lot of you guys were asking about how to improve English. I was getting a lot of comments like how to improve English. We get 3 to 4 marks in English, etc. etc. So, today I will tell you about how I improved my English, and you can follow this strategy if you find it useful. You just have to follow it for 20 to 25 days and you will feel a difference. Okay, so let's start. So first is grammar rules. The most first thing you should do is to clear your grammar concepts first. Okay, so for grammar you can simply follow this book, Plains to Paramount book, or any other book you have for competitive exams. You can follow this book and you have to do one chapter from this book daily. And there is this YouTube channel called Exathon. Okay, Exathon. So simply like you today you read noun chapter from this book. Okay, then you have to watch video of noun from this YouTube channel. Okay, so after doing these two things you have to attempt questions from Plains to Paramount book. There are questions given at the last of the chapter in this book, so you have to attempt those questions and you will come to know how much you have gotten from the chapter. Okay, so also there are 100 rules of grammar in this YouTube channel. You can follow these rules. These rules are also very helpful for error detection, or you can follow 120 rules by Nimisha ma'am. So you keep asking where can we get this PDF of 120 rules. So you can get this 120 rules PDF on Telegram. Just simply search 120 rules PDF and you will get it. Otherwise you can get this PDF in Nimisha ma'am. Search this or search this. Okay, search this channel, and in this channel you have to click on the three dots given above and just search 120 rules PDF and you will get the PDF. Okay, and for errors you can follow 3 sorry guys, you can follow 3 p.m class of Nimisha Bansal, and it is also very helpful for error detection. Okay, so now we will come to reading. So you have to, like, I will tell you about one thing before telling anything about reading, is that you will not score good marks by doing this thing. Okay, only because this thing is like about 25% of exam. Okay, and rest 75% is only about reading and understanding the comprehensions. Okay, and other thing is that after doing like reading like for 1 month to 2 months, your marks will not be increased. Okay, you have to create interest in English. You have to start thinking about English, like indulge yourself in English, like watch movies, watch English news, think about yourself in English, talk to yourself in English. Simply you have to create interest. Don't study English for clearing the exam. Okay, learn English so that you want to learn it. Okay, just just tell yourself that I want to learn English and I will learn it. Okay, and then start learning English and you will find a change in your scores. Okay, so for reading, for first 10 days you have to read any book, like any story book, any interesting book which you prefer. Okay, so you can follow a book for first 10 days or like 15 days or 20 days, as many days in which you can complete this book. Don't take any big book, like take any small book. Okay, so read this book and you will create some interest, and this you can also watch any English web series or any English movie. But I will tell you that if you start watching web series or English, you will start wasting your time a lot. So watch web series like in which is not very interesting or like normal. Okay, so you can prefer Friends, because there is not any interesting thing, like they do the things which are very normal. Okay, so you can watch this. Or for next 10 days you have to do you have to read normal articles, like the articles which come on first page of the newspaper. Just read one or two article, nothing else. Okay, so keep doing it 10 to 15 days, and then you have to switch to editorials. And for editorials, a lot of you guys ask that we don't have The Hindu or the Indian Express, so what should we do? So you can use this app, Vocab24. In this app, regular editorials are updated. Okay, and you can get to know the word of a meaning by simply tapping on it. So you can read editorials on this app. And how you should read? First, you have to skim the article. Like, don't worry about the word meanings, you just give a reading, like first to last word of the editorial. Like, give a full reading first. Okay, and try to understand the concept of the editorial, what the editor wants to say in this editorial. Okay, first simply try to learn that thing, that what is the basic idea of the editorial. Then in second reading, just tap on the words and find the meaning of the words. Okay, in second readings you have to find meanings, like which meaning you don't know, just simply tap on the meaning and then read the line. And in third reading, then you will know meaning of each word. So in third reading you will know meaning of each word, and you should read the editorial before sleeping also. So like, for reading of one single article, you don't have to read 3 to 4 articles, but one article 4 times, and it will really help you. So just follow it for 30 days, guys, and then tell me if your English improves or not. Okay, so thank you, guys.